See it there? Snowing. All New York in snowing. Yeah man, place snow, place full. Remember though, get my shovel from early out. I don't know. See there? The whole of New York is snow. So then make sure I cover my Jeep so I don't have to worry about the snow now. Nothing. Just flick it off, you get me? It's a good look, can't complain. Daughter says she won't complain at the snow, but now all over, see there? The whole place. Snow all over. You can't see the street. You can't see the street either. Nothing. Actually, my Virgin coach truck there, so. Virgin Benz there, so. Virgin other Benz there, so. Everything. So make sure cover mine there. It's a good look, man. Can't complain. Snow. Take over New York City now. Get me? It's a good look, brother. Get me? Can't complain. See there? Whole place. Whole place. My garage going to my garage a while ago to take up my something. You get me? Yeah man, it's a good look man. Man, crazy thing, you get me? Yeah man, God bless everyone for go home safe and sound to them individual and loved one, you know? Yeah man.